students. We are here with some basic information regarding English grammar, and we were already under progress, you can say, in determiner. So far we have learned that determiner always forms a kind of group, and it has got 5 elements in that group. And the first one was article, that we have already learned, and the second one was these quantifiers, which altogether quantitative and numeral adjective forms quantifiers. So today we have to see the application of those quantifiers in a sentence. As you know that a quantifiers, those words which quantifies or limits about some nouns in a sentence, are called quantifiers. And these are many. This is a quantitative adjective and numeral adjective, distributive, indefinite, definite, like all such words, all such categories come in quantifiers. Here you see the examples of some quantifiers: some, any, little, a little, the little, much, all, several, many, few, a few, the few. It is like that. So here we have to see that some quantifiers modify countable nouns and some quantifiers modify uncountable nouns. So we have to see the difference of it right now in this given moment or in this given time. You should understand about the applications of those quantifiers in a very implicate way or a minute way. Here this is coming up, so you need to copy it all and you try to understand the facts about those quantifiers, which will help you. This little has got negative meaning. That has got not much or hardly any. If suppose little is coming without any article, that will carry a negative meaning. Like, he has little chance for recovery. So it means like he may not recover. Like that. Similarly, if we take article with those quantifiers, it takes positive meaning. Like a little. A little has got positive meaning, some, but not much. A little will have the different meaning from the little. And as well, the little will also same thing with some difference, like not much, but all there is. Like that, we have to understand this little is used always for uncountable nouns or material nouns, you can say, in other words. Though few, a few and the few, these are used for countable nouns, and this will have same applications. Like a few will have the negative meaning, like it will carry none or nothing it has. Like if I say he has few friends, means he has no friends. Like that. Similarly, a few is coming up with some this distinction here, some but not many. Likewise, the few will always there, not many but all there is. These are some quantifiers which are always used in a variety of context, but a very few you can say people can understand those minute things. So my students must know the difference between little, a little and the little. Likewise, few, a few, the few. Though there are many quantifiers, you can see, all, several, many, all those will be used in the same way. Though it was just aspect of quantitative adjective. Now in the next lesson, you will come to know about the other part of the quantifiers, that is numeral adjective. I hope you all have copied it. So you try to understand this, and we will be meeting shortly tomorrow or day after with all such quantifiers. Thereafter possessives and demonstratives and interrogatives all will be dealt together. Okay, fine. Thank you.